Get rid of the rumen, abdomen, in just 2 weeks. Causes of the appearance of the rumen, abdomen. 1. Excessive consumption of foods and drinks rich in sugar or fructose, such as cake, sweets, soft drinks, coffee, and sweet tea. 2. Drinking a lot of natural juices, as they contain high levels of sugar that promotes insulin resistance, which increases belly fat. 3. Excessive consumption of foods that contain high levels of fat, trans fats, or known as hydrogenated fats, such as biscuits and cakes. 4. Low protein diets. As there is a lack of protein in the diet, it increases the feeling of hunger, thus eating more food. 5. Follow a diet low in fiber and high in refined carbohydrates. 6. Hormonal changes at menopause, which lead to the transformation of stored fat from the hips and thighs to visceral fat in the abdomen. 7. Impairment of gut bacteria that may cause weight gain, including belly fat. 8. An increase in the level of cortisol in the body as a result of stress and tension. It eventually leads to an increase in abdominal fat. 9. Genetic reasons may play an important role in calorie storage and emergence rumen. 10. Lack of sleep or not sleeping well negatively affects weight and helps to lose weight, the appearance of the rumen. 11. Inactivity, lack of movement and lack of exercise. 12. Having diseases that led to weight gain, such as thyroid diseases. And now, here is a magical recipe. If you keep it, you will blow up the rumen fat, abdomen, in a very short period of time, and your stomach will become completely flat, thus enjoying better health and shape and an improvement in the psychological state. 1. Drink 2 glasses of water in the morning as soon as you get up from sleeping, and you can gradually increase the amount until it becomes 4 cups. 2. Prepare the following. A glass of water, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile. Boil the water in a metal pot over a high heat. Add to the water a spoonful of thyme, rosemary and chamomile. Leave it to boil with water for 20 minutes, then drain the mixture. Drink the cup in the morning, after drinking water as we explained in first step, daily for a week or more before breakfast hour, taking care not to exceed the daily dose 1. And larger quantities can be prepared for the coming days by doubling the ingredients are kept in the refrigerator in an airtight container. To increase the effectiveness of this recipe, you can add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and half a lemon to one of the glasses of water that you will drink as soon as you wake up. But whoever suffers from frequent acidity, GERD, or any stomach infection, we advise him not to do this step. 3. Make sure your dinner is early and your breakfast is delayed. And try to have your dinner completely free of sugars and starches. Preferably a cup of yogurt without sugars with the addition of a little lemon juice. This will help you a lot in quickly getting rid of the rumen, belly, and get the flat belly that you dream of. We wish you health and wellness. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button and activate the bell to receive all new